is a demo about some debugging techniques for stuck processes. It's really some very basic usage of PySpy and strace, but I think I never had to do that before, so I thought it was worth sharing. So I'll share kind of the reproducer of the problem I was having with the step process. I have some utility files here that blocks and restores the connection to Fedora. And this run just wraps the reproducer and saves the PID for convenience. And the thing that happens is that when I try to download something, I'm always a bigger cam here just to get time to do my stuff. And the connection was blocked. The packets were dropped. It will hang forever, even after it was unblocked, even though the connection was restored. So this is a reproduction. I kind of reduced that to the bare minimum. So here I have set up Django so I can use models and stuff, setting up debugging, 12 loggers, debugging level. And I just create an in-memory remote so I can use the downloader factory. And I just created that thread work to show that the tool can also show stuff about all the threads, the process. And it just runs those two tasks. So let me set that up, set it up. Okay, I'll just make sure I'm not blocking it. And then I run and start downloading. And I'll block it. You can see these dots. It's just some injection I did on the chunk downloading. Each dot is a chunk, and this is the other task. So PySpy, for example, I've used only the dump command for this. We can see some overview of the process. You can see it shows the two threads, the main thread and the sync and the stack trace, which can be useful. But also there is this L flag for locals. So you can actually see what are the local variables at each frame. So for example, the counter here was at 5, and that actually helped me on the issue I was working, because I could be sure that the timeout on all these frames were not set correctly. So that was definitely the problem. And I'll show just the basic thing about strace, but it wasn't really very useful for me, but it might be for someone. So it shows that's waiting on this poll call on file descriptor 4. So maybe if you want to take this file descriptor, you could, I don't know. Look there and see what kind of file is that and do something about it. That's basically it. as I said, it's just a basic usage, but it was kind of helpful, and I never did that before. And yeah, thank you.